A very good morning, children. Welcome to our social sciences class. I'm NSVP Purnima, your social sciences teacher. Welcome to our new chapter, new lesson, lesson 6, waste management, part 1, video 1. Children, in this session, we are going to learn about waste management. Every time you see a garbage heap, you must be wondering where the garbage comes from. You'll get some doubts and questions in your mind that where the garbage comes from, where does it go? Yes, we will discuss about this in this session. First of all, most of the garbage that you see around this is all garbage, children. The garbage that you see around is created by human beings. We are only creating so much garbage. Every day, thousands of tons of waste is thrown out from our households, offices, factories, playgrounds, schools, etc. The waste material mainly consists of papers, broken glass, metal or plastic goods, vegetable and fruit peels, and leftover food. Animals like cows, buffaloes, horses, camels, and dogs produce waste around us. The garbage has become a hazard for human beings, animals, birds, and the environment. Hazard means danger or risk, and the garbage pollutes the air, the water bodies, and the land. It becomes a breeding grounds for germs, mosquitoes, flies, and rats that causes diseases like dysentery, typhoid, cholera, plague, etc. It also causes foul smell, so much bad smell also. And why we are getting this much of garbage? In recent times, there has been a steady increase in the amount of garbage due to increase in population, industries, widespread use of polythene bags, mainly use of polythene bags and packaging. And it is important not to throw waste materials in open areas like outside our house, on the streets, roads, parks, etc. It is very important. We must not throw waste materials in open areas like this, outside of our house, or on the streets, or on the roads, or parks, etc. So, where should we throw this waste material, children? In the dustbin kept in our house, and in the big dustbin will be kept in the street. Very big dustbins will be kept by the GVMC people. So we have to throw the waste material. We have to dump this waste in that dustbins. Next, children, see the two main types of waste materials. There are two main types of waste materials, children. Do you know what are they? First one is biodegradable waste. The second one is non-biodegradable waste. What are these? Biodegradable and non-biodegradable? We'll see. First one, biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means these are dry leaves, vegetable and fruit peels, eggshells, papers and leftover food items. Daily some leftover food will be there in every house and hotels or somewhere, no? That all these things comes under biodegradable waste, and they can be converted into harmless substances by dumping them in a pit. The pit is covered with soil and converted into compost, and it can be used as manure. The compost can be used as manure. This will reduce the amount of garbage. So this is about biodegradable waste, children. What is this, children? Biogas plant. Animal and plant waste can be burnt in a furnace to produce biogas that is used as a domestic fuel, children. Human and animal waste can be covered with soil in rural areas. Creating a biogas system for a rural home is much simpler than building other types of systems. It requires an airtight pit lined and covered with concrete and a way to feed waste from animals and latrines into the pit. Because the pit is sealed like this, the waste will decompose quickly, releasing methane. And in cities, the toilet waste must be washed down the drains and then to the sewage system where the solid waste is separated and the water is purified. This is about biogas plant, children. Next we'll come to non-biodegradable waste. Children, see this picture. These are all non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable wastes are nails, polythene bags, aluminum foil, pins, glass, rubber, plastic pieces, chemicals, and construction waste from buildings, bridges, roads, etc. At the time of construction, so much waste will be produced, and that waste also comes under biodegradable waste. Sorry, non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste cannot be converted into harmless substances. Biodegradable waste can be converted into harmless substances, whereas non-biodegradable waste cannot be converted into harmless substances. But most of it is recyclable. Recycling means separating usable materials from the waste and converting them into new products. Paper can be recycled to make newsprint, toilet paper, etc. Iron, copper, aluminium, plastic and glass can also be recycled and made into useful items. So, like this, most of non-biodegradable waste will be recyclable. So, in this session, we learned about waste management, in that biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Now, see the assignment, children. First one, biodegradable waste can be used to make dash. Second one, animal and plant waste can be burnt in a furnace to produce dash. Third one, the garbage has become a dash for human beings, animals, birds. Fourth one, compost can be used as dash. Fifth one, all living beings produce dash. Thank you, children. In the next session, we will discuss about recycling and some slogans about reducing waste and disposing, how to dispose waste materials and all. Thank you, children.